honorable members, I will hear every section of the House, but you wait for your turn. Yes, you may please.
पॉइंट इतना ही है, जिस रूल में भी चर्चा करें लेकिन तुरंत होना चाहिए क्योंकि मैटर अर्जेंट है। इसीलिए सर जितना अर्जेंटली मैटर को हम चर्चा में ला सकते हैं उतना उपयोगी होगा। मैंने इतना ही कहना आपको।
देखिए, Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister, I will seek guidance from leader of the opposition because I have taken a view, going by the past healthy precedents, that 267 will be invoked only when principal parties and other leaders agree to it. Khadge ji. No, Mr. Khadge Jairam ji, let the leader of the opposition speak. I called you because he was not there.
Sir, these are the things. When opposition party puts 267, we request you, not the government. And naturally, the government will not agree with our proposals.
Sir, I want your view on this. You don't agree?
The Manipur case we want to discuss.
Fine, sir.
Manipur case we want to discuss because
sir, nothing
these are
will go on
very,
record
very
except
important.
this. No, sir, nothing will go on record except this. I am seeking your enlightened view. I am seeking your guidance on this issue. No, sir. No, all right, sir. Nothing will go on record. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. That's not the way I expected. I want limited response, your counsel, your guidance, your enlightened view on this 267, which is very important because it concerns youth of our country. It concerns with a sector where these people are in a silo, going to coaching centers, and all those issues will come. So what is your view?
देखिए सर, नहीं, आप देखिए 267 जब कोई
No, one has spoken for party.
when आप उसको
I think Mr. Khadge represents the party. Why are you raising your hands?
No, my party people are very peaceful, sir.
Are they, sir?
Yeah,
Sir.
they are very peaceful,
Sir.
very cooperative,
Sir.
everything.
Sir,
But
sir,
only
sir,
thing
you are
is
never
that-
wrong. But problem is you don't look back. I look all.
No,
They are irrepressible on occasions.
it is my habit
Sir.
to see front only, not back. So it happens.
Same my habit, sir. We should never look back. Let us move ahead, leaving
So
the
if
bad
you
baggage
go
behind.
and see back from front, people will attack.
Yes.
That's why. That's why. But you have to give chance
Sanjay,
at least.
one second.
In some other form, you should bring immediately.
Yes, exactly. So, Sanjay, 1 second. I am not opening up the discussion for one reason. Otherwise, I'll give you time. Because since Mr. Khadge has taken a view that he does not agree to 267, then when I have a discussion today, you can speak out. इसीलिए बोलेंगे नहीं मेरा ये है नहीं 1 second, don't look at them. Sanjay, don't look. Sanjay, look at me. I give you permission. You don't get permission from them. Look here. Take it.
30 सेकंड
संजय
30 सेकंड सर।
संजय, एक बात सुनना। माननीय खड़गे जी ने जब मैंने ये राय मांगी एंड मैं उनका गाइडेंस चाहता था क्योंकि मेरा स्पष्ट मत है और ये मत इसलिए है कि मेरे से पहले जो इस कुर्सी पर विद्वान व्यक्ति बैठते थे उन्होंने इस प्रक्रिया की शुरुआत की थी कि हाउस को एडजस्ट करने के लिए कम से कम मेन पार्टीज का एग्रीमेंट होना चाहिए और औरों की राय लेनी चाहिए। जब एक राय आ गई है तो 267 एडमिट नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा, इसलिए बैठ जाइए, इसलिए कह रहा हूँ। और क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, I have indicated on several occasions that 267 has to be consensus of the House. It was there on demonetization. Consensus of the House was there. Since it is not in this case, I will confer with the leaders whether I take recourse to Rules 176 or Rule 180. And that I will confer with them at the earliest occasion after we are few minutes in the 0 hour. And I will request the leaders to spare time for their guidance to me in my chamber.